Want to take your PS5 gaming experience to the next level? A great headset delivers immersive sound, crystal clear communication, and all-day comfort for those intense gaming sessions. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 best PS5 gaming headsets, comparing their audio quality, features, and overall performance to help you find the perfect match. Get ready for next-level sound. Let's dive in. For more details and the best deals, check out the link in the description. Number 5. Arctis Maxwell Wireless. Experience next-level audio with the Arctis Maxwell Wireless gaming headset. Designed for serious gamers and audiophiles, this headset delivers ultra-low latency and studio-quality sound, powered by Arctis' signature 90mm planar magnetic drivers for unmatched clarity, deep bass, and precise spatial accuracy. Built for extended gaming sessions, the Maxwell features up to 80 hours of battery life on a single charge, far beyond most wireless headsets. And when you do need to recharge, USB-C fast charging gets you back in the game quickly. Communication is crystal clear thanks to AI-powered noise suppression on the detachable boom mic, filtering out background noise so your teammates hear you loud and clear. Whether you're on PC, PlayStation, Xbox, or mobile, multi-platform compatibility ensures seamless connectivity with wireless, USB, and 3.5mm options. Designed for comfort and durability, the Maxwell boasts a lightweight aluminum frame, plush memory foam earpads, and a reinforced headband, ensuring a snug yet breathable fit for long hours of play. With low-latency wireless performance, audiophile-grade sound, and industry-leading battery life, the Arctis Maxwell Wireless sets a new standard for premium gaming headsets. Check the links in the description for more details. Number 4. Astro A50. The Astro A50 wireless gaming headset is designed for serious gamers who demand top-tier sound, comfort, and performance. With Astro Audio V2 technology, the A50 delivers rich, immersive sound with deep bass, crisp highs, and pinpoint spatial accuracy, giving you a competitive edge in every game. The low latency 4GHz wireless connection ensures a lag-free gaming experience, keeping you fully in sync with the action. Whether you're on PC, Xbox, or PlayStation, the A50's multi-platform compatibility makes it a versatile choice for any setup. One of its standout features is the Astro Command Center software, allowing you to customize audio settings, adjust game-to-voice balance, and fine-tune EQ profiles for the perfect sound. The Dolby Audio support takes immersion to the next level, delivering cinematic 3D soundscapes that put you right in the middle of the action. Designed for long gaming sessions, the A50 features a lightweight yet durable frame, with plush ear cushions and an adjustable headband for maximum comfort. With an impressive 15+ hours of battery life, you can game all day and night without interruption. And when it's time to recharge, the A50's magnetic charging base station makes it effortless. Just dock and power up. For crystal clear communication, the flip-to-mute microphone ensures your voice is loud, clear, and free from background noise. For gamers who want premium wireless audio, long-lasting comfort, and total control, the Astro A50 is the ultimate headset to elevate your gaming experience. Number 3. Arctis Nova Pro. The Arctis Nova Pro is a premium gaming headset designed for elite sound, unmatched comfort, and next-level immersion. Featuring SteelSerie's revolutionary Nova acoustic system, this headset delivers hi-fi audio with ultra-clear highs, deep bass, and precise 360-degree spatial sound, putting you right in the heart of the action. With active noise cancellation, ANC, and a transparency mode, you can block out distractions or let in ambient sound with the press of a button. Perfect for both intense gaming sessions and real-world awareness. The AI-powered noise-canceling microphone ensures crystal clear communication, filtering out background noise so your voice comes through loud and clear. One of its standout features is the Game DAC Gen 2, which delivers lossless high-resolution audio and lets you customize EQ settings on the fly. Whether you're fine-tuning sound for competitive gaming or immersive storytelling, the Nova Pro adapts to your needs. Designed for all-day comfort, the Arctis Nova Pro features a durable, lightweight aluminum frame, a floating headband, and plush memory foam ear cushions that keep you comfortable for marathon sessions. With multi-platform compatibility, the Nova Pro seamlessly works with PC, PlayStation, Xbox, and more. The Infinity Power System allows for hot-swappable dual batteries, so you can game without ever running out of power. For gamers who demand audiophile-grade sound, pro-level customization, and premium comfort, the Arctis Nova Pro is the ultimate headset to elevate your gaming experience. Number 2. Razer Black Shark V2 Pro. The Razer Black Shark V2 Pro is a high-performance wireless gaming headset built for esports professionals and competitive gamers who demand precision, comfort, and reliability. Featuring Razer's Triforce Titanium 50mm drivers, it delivers crystal-clear highs, rich mids, and deep bass, creating an immersive, tournament-grade audio experience. With Razer Hyperspeed wireless technology, the Black Shark V2 Pro offers low-latency, interference-free performance, ensuring seamless connectivity for fast-paced gameplay. And with an impressive 70-hour battery life, you can game for days on a single charge, while a 15-minute quick charge gives you 6 hours of playtime. The Hyperclear Super Wideband mic is designed for exceptional voice clarity, capturing every detail of your speech while suppressing background noise, so your team hears you loud and clear. The mic is detachable, making the headset perfect for both gaming and casual listening. Designed for long gaming sessions, the Black Shark V2 Pro features ultra-soft memory foam ear cushions and a lightweight frame, providing maximum comfort and noise isolation. With on-headset controls and Razer Synapse software, you can customize EQ settings, mic sensitivity, and audio profiles to suit your playstyle. Plus, THX Spatial Audio offers positional accuracy, giving you a competitive edge in FPS games. For gamers who want pro-level audio, all-day comfort, and cutting-edge wireless performance, the Razer Black Shark V2 Pro is the ultimate headset to dominate the competition. Number 1. SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro is the ultimate gaming headset, delivering audiophile-grade sound, cutting-edge technology, and all-day comfort for gamers who demand the best. Featuring high-resolution premium drivers, this headset provides exceptional clarity, deep bass, and immersive spatial audio, ensuring every detail is heard. With 360 degrees spatial audio and sonar software, the Nova Pro gives you a competitive edge, letting you pinpoint enemy movements with precision. Plus, active noise cancellation with a transparency mode keeps distractions out while letting you stay aware when needed. One of its standout features is the Game DAC Gen 2, an included external amplifier and digital-to-analog converter, DAC, that enhances audio quality and lets you fine-tune EQ settings for a truly customized experience. Whether you're on PC, Xbox, PlayStation, or Switch, multi-platform support ensures seamless connectivity. Designed for marathon gaming sessions, the Nova Pro's Comfort Max system includes plush memory foam ear cups, an adjustable headband, and lightweight construction for a perfect fit. And with the Infinity Power System, you get hot-swappable dual batteries, ensuring you never run out of power mid-game. With its unparalleled sound quality, noise cancellation, and premium comfort, the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro is built for gamers who refuse to compromise.